Upgrade your inventory with Steelworks stainless heavy-duty green wire shelving, built for exceptional weight capacities of 800 pounds per shelf. Designed with leveling feet and heavy-duty connectable posts, our shelving adapts effortlessly to any environment, ensuring stability on uneven floors. Plus, 5-inch easy-install 1,600-pound capacity locking casters allow easy mobility without sacrificing strength. Unlike cheaper alternatives, our heavy-duty grade green wire shelving with a 15-year limited warranty is crafted to resist corrosion and stand the test of time, especially in damp or humid areas. With S-hooks reducing the need for additional posts, each unit installs quickly and efficiently. Discover why distributors and installers nationwide rely on Steelworks Stainless for top-tier corrosion-resistant green wire shelving designed to last and deliver. Visit steelworks-stainless.com or call 770-864-1780.